Hey there, toy enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best toys on the market. Today, we're exploring one of the most exquisite Swan figurines out there. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your collection or surprise someone special, this might just be the perfect pick for you. Imagine a toy that not only captures the beauty of a swan but also sparks creativity and learning in young minds. The Schleich Swan figurine does exactly that. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this figurine stands out as a masterpiece in the world of animal toys. Now, let's talk about what makes this Swan toy so special. It's not just about looks, it's about the craftsmanship. Schleich, a renowned German toy company with over 85 years of expertise, has meticulously designed this swan to be lifelike and durable. The attention to detail from the graceful posture to the subtle feather markings is truly remarkable. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this figurine serves as an educational tool. It introduces children to the beauty of wildlife and encourages imaginative play. Whether it's a standalone piece or part of a larger collection, the Schleich Swan inspires hours of creative storytelling and exploration. Safety is paramount, especially when it comes to toys. Rest assured, Schleich toys meet or exceed the highest safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for parents. The materials used are durable, non-toxic, and built to withstand even the most adventurous play sessions. So, what sets this swan apart from other toys in its category? Firstly, its authenticity. Schleich is known for its commitment to realism, and this swan is no exception. Secondly, it's part of the Schleich Farm World collection, allowing it to seamlessly integrate into a larger play environment. Whether you're a collector, a parent, or a gift giver, this swan promises to delight. Don't just take our word for it. Experts in child development emphasize the importance of open-ended play, and toys like the Schleich Swan encourage just that. Dr. Sandra Stone, a play expert, highlights how toys that inspire imagination are crucial for healthy childhood development. Wrapping up, if you're searching for a toy that combines beauty, durability, and educational value, look no further than the Schleich Swan figurine. It's a testament to Schleich's dedication to quality and craftsmanship, making it a standout choice in the world of toy figurines. Interested in adding this stunning swan to your collection? Check out the link in the description below to find out more and get yours today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the best toys out there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and discovering new favorites.